Tinnitus affects millions of people around the world, and for many, it's more than just a nuisance. It disrupts sleep, focus, and even emotional well-being. What if there was a natural, non-invasive way to finally take back control of your hearing and mental clarity? In this video, we're diving deep into Zencortex, a plant-based, doctor-formulated supplement that's gaining a lot of attention in the tinnitus relief space. Zencortex is a dietary supplement specifically designed to combat tinnitus, also known as persistent ear ringing, by targeting the root causes instead of just masking the symptoms. Unlike conventional solutions that rely on heavy medications or sound masking devices, Zencortex uses a blend of natural ingredients backed by science. These ingredients work together to support brain health, blood circulation, auditory system repair, and overall cognitive function. It's formulated for adults of all ages, especially those struggling with age-related hearing concerns, noise-induced tinnitus, or stress-related ear ringing. Benefits: Zencortex goes beyond symptom relief by addressing neuroinflammation and oxidative stress, reduces ear ringing by repairing auditory nerve pathways, improves brain clarity and focus, fighting tinnitus-related brain fog, promotes healthy circulation to the ears and brain, helps with sleep and relaxation, reducing stress that triggers tinnitus. Completely natural. No harsh chemicals or synthetic fillers. Ingredients: grapeseed extract, a strong antioxidant that reduces ear cell damage. Green tea extract, EGCG, boosts brain performance and blood flow. Gymnema Sylvestre, supports nerve health and reduces inflammation. Capsicum annuum, improves blood circulation to the auditory system. Panax ginseng, combats stress and mental fatigue linked to tinnitus. These ingredients have been individually studied for their neuroprotective and anti-inflammatory benefits. Side effects: Zencortex is made from natural, non-GMO ingredients and is manufactured in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility in the United States. That said, while most users do not report any side effects, here are a few potential mild reactions some first-time users may experience. Slight digestive discomfort, mild headaches during detoxification, allergic reactions if sensitive to herbal ingredients. As with any supplement, consult with your doctor, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. But overall, Zencortex has a very clean safety profile, a major reason it's growing in popularity among tinnitus sufferers looking for a holistic solution. Ready to try Zencortex for yourself? If you're tired of the ringing, buzzing, and constant distraction, Zencortex might be your path back to peace and quiet. You can order directly from the official website using our affiliate link in the description below. This ensures you get the lowest available price, free bonuses, or discounts on select bundles. Tap the link below, choose your package, and Zencortex will be shipped straight to your door. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more wellness content, and drop a comment if you've tried Zencortex. We'd love to hear your experience. And remember, silence is golden. Let Zencortex help you reclaim it.